I walked into the kitchen to make a delicious breakfast.
I opened the fridge to look for fresh ingredients. I take some eggs, potatoes, and vegetables from the fridge. I close the fridge carefully to save energy. I wash my hands with soap at the kitchen sink before touching the food. I use a sharp knife to cut the vegetables on the chopping board. I peel the potatoes carefully before slicing them into small pieces. I turn on the stove to heat up the frying pan. I fry the eggs until the whites are cooked and the yolks are soft. I put a small pot on the stove to make some hot soup.
I stir the soup gently with a big wooden spoon.
I taste the food to check if it needs more flavor. I add a pinch of salt to make the soup more savory. I add a spoonful of sugar to balance the taste. I bake a sweet cake in the oven, and it smells wonderful. I heat up some leftover food from yesterday in the microwave. I turn off the stove immediately after the cooking is done to ensure safety. I make a cup of hot coffee to start my productive day. I pour fresh water into a clean glass from the water pitcher. I drink a glass of water in the kitchen to stay hydrated.
I sit down and eat breakfast happily in the kitchen.
I enjoy my morning meal while listening to some relaxing music. I clear the dining table and carry the dirty plates to the sink. I wash the dishes with dish soap and a soft sponge. I rinse the bowls and spoons thoroughly under running water. I dry the dishes completely with a clean kitchen towel. I put the dry dishes back into the kitchen cabinet. I use a damp cloth to clean the dining table surface. I finish my morning routine and leave the kitchen neat and clean.